back with another video. This is just gonna be a quick video because I haven't uploaded in a while, but I will be uploading a get ready with me for my birthday, which is tomorrow, January 25th. But yeah, this is just the lock style after I was done. This is her hair before, and now let's get into what I actually did. All right, so this is a client of mine. She came in because, you know, she has a patch of hair that she wanted locks added to. Her perimeter is kind of like this. Basically, she was taking a kind of medication and it made her hair fall out or thin, and, you know, we're just adding in locks as we need them. So anyway, you're just gonna go ahead and take your lock extension, make sure that the afro part is combed out. You want to line it up with your hair about 1 inch from the root. Wrap the hair around the extension just a little bit and then start locking it. So basically I have my 0.75 millimeter crochet needle tool, which you can get from Amazon. I'm literally just going in and out of the lock and slowly rotating it between my fingers. The point of this is to pull the loose hair inside the lock. That's all you're doing. So a lot of people you'll see go in and out really fast, like I'm about to do in a second. Like right there. Yeah, a lot of people you see do that, but I really prefer to do it this way. Just pull it in, push it in and pull it out, because going in and out really fast like that is how you're going to injure yourself, or at least how I injure myself, and I just don't want to steer y'all wrong. So yeah, this is really all you do. You just make sure you line up the lock good, but you want to leave, you know, a little space between the lock and your actual scalp so that you have room to retwist once you're done installing the lock. And, you know, keep going, keep going, keep going. Even after you think you're done and you think it's locked in, you want to keep going in and out with your needle, because you'd rather do everything correctly than think that you did enough and it's not locked in with their hair all the way. Let's just put it that way. Once you feel that the lock is all the way in and you have done it correctly, then you want to go ahead and palm roll it in between your hands a little bit. And then this is just me retwisting to show you how it should look when you're done. So I went ahead and parted out this section. Some of the hair belonged in some locks, some of it I was going to use for the extension. So here I'm just kind of trying to figure out what is what, but I did end up making this section 2 locks. So y'all can go ahead and watch me do that, but it is the same method with every extension. You want to line up the extension about 1 inch from your actual scalp. I kind of wrap their real hair around the extension just a little bit, because you want to be pulling hair into the lock from all directions, like 360. You want to be rotating that lock, pulling the hair on the inside of the lock, and you want a nice uniform look. So you can't just sit the extension right on top of the hair and just pull the hair through on one side. I really hope that this makes sense. I almost forgot to mention, if you would like to purchase any of these handmade locks made with human hair that can be curled, cut, colored, all that, you can go to keyslocks.com. Check out my Loc Extensions Instagram, which is dedicated to only lock extensions, and that's at Keys Loc Extensions. And y'all don't forget to follow my main Instagram, which is at keyswork_. So if you have been subscribed to me for a while, or if you have just, you know, gone in and been a little nosy and checked out my comments, then you'll notice I do reply to all of my comments. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. Y'all, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and you know what, leave a comment whether you liked or didn't like the video. I can totally accept constructive criticism, but y'all have been showing TF out. I appreciate everybody who has been along with me on this journey, because that's what it is. It's a journey. I am at 597 subscribers, and yeah, so y'all, after this I just retwisted her hair and styled it how she wanted it, and that's it. I'll see y'all in the next video.